Have you ever wondered what keeps your car's engine running like a well-oiled machine? What mysterious component ensures that every single piston and valve moves with perfect precision? Today, we're diving deep into the automotive world's most fascinating mechanical dance, the battle between timing belts and timing chains. Warning, by the end of this video, you'll know more about your car's engine than 90% of drivers out there. So buckle up and get ready for an engine insight that could save you thousands in potential repairs. What are timing belts and chains? Imagine your car's engine as a complex symphony. Every part needs to move at exactly the right moment, too early or too late, and the entire performance falls apart. Enter our heroes, timing belts and timing chains. These aren't just simple parts, they're the conductors of your engine's orchestra. Their primary mission? To synchronize the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring that valves open and close with precision. Pistons never crash into valves. Your engine maintains peak performance. Fuel combustion happens perfectly every single time. Think of it like a choreographed dance, where one wrong step could spell disaster for your entire engine. Material and construction showdown. Let's break down these mechanical marvels. Timing belts, the lightweight champion. Made from reinforced rubber with high tensile fibers. Lightweight and flexible. Quiet operation. No lubrication required. Located outside the engine block. Timing chains, the durable warrior. Constructed from tough metal alloys. Heavy duty and built to last. Located inside the engine block. Requires constant oil lubrication. Typically noisier but more robust. Lifespan and durability face OFF. Here's where things get interesting. Timing belts typically need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. They're like the marathon runners of engine components, impressive, but they'll need a pit stop. Timing chains, these are the ultramarathon champions. They can last over 200,000 miles and potentially the entire lifetime of your vehicle. But here's the catch, they're not invincible. They can stretch over time and require consistent maintenance. Cost considerations. Let's talk money, because who doesn't love saving some cash? Timing belt replacement. Average cost, $500 to $1,000. More frequent maintenance. Often requires water pump replacement. Predictable wear patterns. Timing chain replacement. Potential cost, $1,500 to $4,000. Face screaming in fear. Less frequent maintenance. Higher repair costs if something goes wrong. Critically dependent on oil changes. Pro tip, regular maintenance is always cheaper than a complete engine rebuild. Warning signs you can't ignore. Your car speaks to you if you know how to listen. Timing belt red flags. Ticking noises from the engine. Sudden loss of power. Engine misfiring. Rough idling. Timing chain warning signs. Rattling, especially during startup. Metal shavings in your oil. Check engine light. Noticeable drop in engine performance. How to identify your vehicle system. Not sure what your car has? Here are foolproof ways to find out. Check your owner's manual. Search online vehicle specifications. Consult a professional mechanic. Google your specific make and model. Final thoughts and maintenance tips. The million-dollar question. Timing belt or timing chain? There's no universal winner. Your choice depends on your specific vehicle, driving habits, budget, long-term maintenance plans. Universal maintenance tips. Follow manufacturer recommendations. Regular oil changes. Listen to your engine. Address issues immediately. Love this engine deep dive? Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment telling us what vehicle you drive and what timing system it uses. Want more automotive insights? The links to recommended maintenance guides are in the description below. Drive smart, stay informed.